Xiaomi CEO Lei Jun candidly admitted, "Tesla is indeed amazing, especially with its full self-driving, and we still have to keep learning." That humility speaks volumes. Because now, as we move into 2026, Elon Musk is set to launch Tesla's latest game-changer, the Model 2, starting at just $9,757. But it's not just about affordability. Hidden inside are breakthrough features: a minimalist 15-inch display, integrated AI assistant, console-level gaming, and premium entertainment. Stay with us to discover exactly what's packed inside this shockingly advanced and affordable EV. Stay with us to discover exactly what's packed inside this shockingly advanced and affordable EV. And if you don't want to miss the latest Tesla leaks and in-depth breakdowns, make sure to subscribe to autogearshift, helping us reach 2,739 subscribers, and turn on the notification bell so you're always first to know what's coming next from Elon Musk. 1. How is Tesla's $9,757 Model 2 hiding features even luxury cars don't dare to offer? Tesla's Model 2 embodies the philosophy of minimalist but maximal, combining sleek simplicity with an impressive array of advanced features. Instead of cluttering the cabin with dozens of physical buttons, everything is centralized into a next-generation control hub that redefines modern automotive interiors. At the heart of this interior is a brand-new 15-inch central display. Unlike traditional EV screens, this panel boasts ultra-sharp 4K resolution, paired with a 120 Hz refresh rate, the same level found in high-end gaming monitors. This ensures not only crystal-clear visuals, but also ultra-responsive touch feedback. Complementing this is Tesla's redesigned UI 5.0, which is reportedly 40% easier to navigate than the Model 3's interface, thanks to larger icons, simplified menus, and smarter voice command integration. Gesture control adds another futuristic touch. Drivers can adjust volume, answer calls, or switch apps simply by moving their hand in front of the screen, eliminating the need to physically touch any controls. Comfort is just as prioritized as technology. The Model 2's front seats come equipped with 12 massage points each, offering a fully automated massage experience tailored for long drives. Tesla uses premium vegan leather throughout the cabin, a material both 100% waterproof and engineered for durability in high-traffic usage. Each seat is also equipped with memory profiles, allowing up to 8 different users to save their ideal seat and mirror positions. This multi-user customization makes the Model 2 especially appealing to families or shared vehicle owners. Space optimization plays a key role in the cabin's design. Thanks to Tesla's structural battery pack, the Model 2 benefits from a completely flat floor, enhancing legroom for both front and rear passengers. Underneath that floor, there's an additional hidden storage compartment offering 30 liters of extra cargo capacity, perfect for storing smaller items securely and discreetly. Adding to the open, airy feel is the panoramic glass roof. Not just a design statement, this roof is equipped with an automatic dimming system that adjusts its opacity in real time based on sunlight intensity, improving comfort and reducing glare without driver input. Model 2's massage seats, smart roof, or hidden storage. Which would you enjoy most? Drop your choice below. 2. How is Tesla turning everyday cars into intelligent, self-learning machines? While most electric vehicles today boast partial automation, Tesla's Model 2 stands as the first car designed around fully personalized AI integration. Tesla has engineered a system that actively learns from its driver, adapting both behavior and environment settings in real time, which goes beyond standard autopilot functions and voice commands. At the core of this capability is full self-driving hardware 4.0. Tesla has expanded its camera array from 8 units on the Model 3 to a total of 12 ultra-wide 4K cameras positioned around the Model 2. These cameras provide sharper visibility in all directions, improving both self-driving accuracy and parking assistance. Powered by the new FSD Beta 4.0 chip, This system processes data up to 10 times faster than its predecessor, handling more than 500 trillion operations per second. This level of power allows the car to learn its owner's driving habits, such as preferred speeds, lane choices, and even the timing of lane changes. Complementing FSD 4.0 is the Tesla Vision AI system. This system leverages facial recognition technology to automatically adjust seats, mirrors, and climate settings for each driver without manual input. More impressively, the cabin camera actively monitors the driver's condition. If signs of fatigue, such as drooping eyelids or head tilts, are detected, the system gently prompts the driver to take a break. Tesla has also improved its guard mode by integrating AI-based threat recognition, allowing the vehicle to differentiate between harmless passers-by and potential security risks, reducing false alarms by an estimated 35%. Voice control receives a significant upgrade as well. The Model 2 understands natural speech in up to 28 languages, offering seamless communication for a truly global user base. Unlike older systems that required specific activation phrases like, "Hey Tesla," this new setup interprets contextual commands without formal prompts. For instance, saying "it's too hot" automatically adjusts cabin temperature. Most notably, Tesla has integrated ChatGPT technology directly into the car's voice assistant, enabling it to handle complex queries such as recommending nearby restaurants or providing traffic updates in conversational language. Lastly, it is worth noting how Tesla has managed these advancements while aligning with the AI Act 2024 regulations. By focusing on transparent data use and real-time AI learning within safety constraints, Model 2 delivers cutting-edge features without breaching new global standards. This balance between personalization and regulation is part of what sets Tesla's AI experience apart in the automotive world today. If you want a car that learns your habits, adjusts everything automatically, and talks to you like a real assistant, comment Model 2 below. 3. How has Tesla redefined in-car entertainment with the Model 2? While most car interiors focus solely on driving comfort, Tesla Model 2 takes things further by transforming the vehicle into a complete entertainment hub on wheels. With Tesla Arcade 2.0 at its core, this isn't just about listening to music or watching videos during breaks. It delivers console-grade gaming, premium multimedia experiences, and signature Tesla-exclusive features that make long trips feel like time spent in a luxury lounge. At the center of Tesla Arcade 2.0 is its gaming system powered by AMD RDNA 3 architecture, the same graphics technology found in devices like the PlayStation 5. This setup allows Model 2 to handle demanding games with ease, offering up to 10 teraflops of graphical processing power. Players can access Steam's library through Tesla's integrated cloud gaming service, meaning blockbuster titles like Cyberpunk 2077 or Elden Ring can be enjoyed right from the driver's seat. For full immersion, Tesla sells a dedicated wireless Tesla controller, optimized for lag-free performance inside the car. Multiplayer gaming is also supported between Tesla vehicles parked nearby, turning rest stops into spontaneous gaming sessions. Beyond gaming, Model 2's Entertainment Hub offers a rich suite of content platforms. Built-in apps include Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube Premium, all pre-installed and optimized for the 15-inch 4K display. For music lovers, Tesla's karaoke mode now offers access to over 10,000 songs in multiple languages, enhanced by real-time lyric syncing. Spotify integration delivers hi-fi lossless audio streaming, a step above standard streaming quality. For casual scrolling or entertainment while parked, TikTok mode is also available, though fully disabled while the vehicle is in motion to ensure safety. To support all these experiences, Tesla has upgraded the Model 2's sound system. The vehicle is equipped with 14 strategically placed speakers, exceeding the 8-speaker setup found in the Model 3 standard. A built-in bass reflex system provides deep, punchy low-end frequencies, while Tesla's proprietary concert hall mode uses advanced sound processing algorithms to create a simulated three-dimensional audio environment, making the cabin feel as expansive as a full-size concert venue. Tesla has reimagined the car interior as a true personal entertainment space, blending gaming, streaming, and premium audio into one seamless experience. It is about transforming every moment spent inside the vehicle, whether parked or on the move, into something enjoyable, immersive, and unexpectedly luxurious, even at a starting price of just $9,757. The closer we look, the clearer it becomes. Model 2 is not just another Tesla. It is where smart living and driving truly merge. From entertainment to AI, every detail feels built for the future, not just for the road. If you want more insights like today's, do not forget to subscribe to like and share this video. Subscribe to AutoGearShift and turn on the bell so you are always first to catch Tesla's next big move.